Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about counterfeit items. And it says more than 1,000 counterfeit items worth more than 9 million have been seized by the police in downtown Kingston. Reports are that the items were seized about 12:10 p.m. Monday by a team from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch C-CTOC during an operation at a premises on Mark Lane. In a release, the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communication Arm said the items seized include footwear and sportswear apparel resembling popular brands such as Nike, Converse, Adidas, and Puma. The police have recognized that the criminal elements are capitalizing on the growth of global trade and the use of technology to create and sell fake goods to unsuspecting customers. Police said in the release, adding that in 2017, estimated loss due to counterfeit goods amounted to more than US 98 billion. To date, the CTOC has seized over Jamaican 1.5 billion worth of counterfeit goods, the release said. What I want my subscribers to tell me if you think they're doing enough to actually prevent these counterfeit goods to come in Jamaica in the first place. How do they get here? Why are they passing through wharf? How are these people able to get so much counterfeit goods in Jamaica? And why are Jamaican people supporting them and buying the counterfeit goods? A lot of people may say it's cheaper. A lot of people may say it's the same factory that built the real Nike and the real Puma and the real Gucci and real Versace that they take these goods from, and it's no different. So they don't mind actually paying something less, and they wear it like it's the real thing. And some people actually cannot afford the real thing, so they would rather buy the counterfeit. And some people don't believe in a brand. But comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that they're doing enough to actually make sure these fake goods do not enter in the country? And what are your thoughts on Jamaicans supporting these people that sell counterfeit goods? Because most of the time they're Chinese. Not to generalize, or they're Chinese people that sell these counterfeit goods. What are your thoughts? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Them a drive by and all know them can't reach one. Back up your grandmother. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach.